The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello, it's time for the English we speak. With you, Rob.
And you, Feifei. Hello.
So, Rob, another year over.
Yes, goodbye 2019. It's been a good year. But it's time for a clear up.
Rob's tidying up. Why, Rob?
Well, there's so much junk lying around. Let's clear out the old stuff. I'd like to start the new year with a tidy office.
Oh, right. We can say out with the old, in with the new.
Out with the old, in with the new. Yep, a good expression, Feifei. You mean leave old things or old ideas behind and start fresh with new things or ideas.
I do. It's often said around New Year.
Well, I better get on with getting rid of old things. While we hear some examples of this phrase in action.
It's time for me to get rid of my old boots and buy a new pair. Out with the old, in with the new.
The tech company released their new range last week. I've already bought something. It's out with the old chunky phone and in with the new lightweight touchscreen one.
Last year I spent too much time eating cake. But now, for 2020, I'm going to join a gym and get fit. It's out with the old body and in with the new one.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. In this programme, we're looking at the expression out with the old, in with the new. It means getting rid of old ideas or things and starting fresh with new ones. So what new things or ideas shall we have for 2020, Rob?
Well, for a new thing, I was thinking about some flowers in the studio.
Nice.
And for my new idea, I thought I would start introducing the programme every week. It's always been you, Feifei.
Excuse me, Rob. I've always introduced the programme. It's ladies first. Sorry, I'm not changing that. But actually, I was thinking about another change.
Oh, yes, what's that?
A new presenter. As we say, out with the old, you, Rob, and in with the new. Hi, Dan.
Hey, Feifei!
Hi.
Just joking. Happy New Year, Rob.
You too.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.